What is going on YouTube? It is me, Fran69 here, and today we are back with a Clash Royale video. And I just unlocked my new spell. I don't know if it's a spell or just a card. I think it's a spell, the Tornado, right here. And of course it's level 1 because I didn't buy it in the shop. I just unlocked it, you know, so. Yep. So we're gonna get into some live battles, and I mean using the Tornado, and I hope we win because we switched out our goblins for the Tornado. So if we lose our first battle, I think I'm gonna switch my goblins back. So let's see how we do. We're facing King of RY, and I have the worst hand. Let's start off with my Inferno. Alright, he has his Tombstone, so I'm pretty sure he's running a Lava Hound or something like that. Yeah, there it is. So let's do this. We're gonna try to arrow anything that he's gonna bring over here. I think he's gonna lightning my... Okay, never mind, he has a fireball. Come on. We're gonna have to arrow. There we go. Oh, okay, good. He's zapped. That means we can use our Goblin Barrel to try to do some damage on his right tower once our giant skeleton reaches or crosses the bridge. Let's see, come on. We're gonna back him up with our minions. There we go. Nice, 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 nice. Alright, not bad, not bad. So we have to drop our Inferno. Let's see what he's gonna do now. Nothing yet. I don't know if he's just wasting elixir or we're gonna go like this. Come on. Yes, there we go. Here's a tornado. Come on, there we go, come on. Arrow, there we go. Alright, not bad. That was a pretty strong push from his side, but we defended it. Maybe not the best defended, but we defended. Come on. Okay, looks like he won. Oh, that, what's it called? That graveyard though, that messed me up. We got his tower down to 1200, so not bad. Let's see, should I switch out the Tornado and put something else? Because I really don't like, it's not, like, the only use I see for it is maybe like pulling your princess, like their princess, towards your tower so it can be shot down. But still, like with 3 elixir, like, I mean, you can just use a log if you have a log. Like, oh yeah, and the log too, I really want it, but we don't have it. So yeah, I think I'm gonna put my goblins back because they do so much damage. I don't know what level they are, but they do damage, so I think I'm gonna start leveling them up next after my Inferno. Because of the buff, I mean not the buff, the nerf, you know, it's a lot less stronger, so I need to upgrade it. So he has level 11 goblins. Is he not gonna stop my giant? Oh, I thought he was not gonna stop it. I was like, Alright, so he used his fireball. Blow up already. Alright, come on. Oh my god, they take forever to drop down. Alright, let's see. I don't know what he has for this, but come on, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Yes, yes. Alright, we're doing some good damage. It's gonna get right under 900. Not bad. Alright, so I don't remember what kind of tank he has, but alright, there we go. He has a hog rider, of course. Something that targets the tower. Alright, let's see. We're gonna have our giant skeleton going on the right side, and I'm pretty sure he's gonna stop it with his barbarians. We have about 15 seconds left until double elixir. Like this. Yep, he's gonna fireball. Come on, get that hog out. Yes, he just zapped. Yep, that tower's down. And so is the other one. Come on, come on. There we go. Alright, so let's. Oh, yes, he zapped. Get it down, get it down, get it down. Oh, that was so freaking close. Gotta get this one down. Come on, come on, I want the other tower. No, that was so close. But at least we got the win. So we're gonna do one more live battle for y'all, and we'll see how we do. We're facing Ricky. Alright, not bad. We have, okay, looks like he's just gonna start off with that. Do this. There we go. Not bad. I don't know, I think that's what's called not positive elixir trade, but at least we didn't get any damage. And I mean, most people just waste elixir anyway, so I try my best not to waste it. Whenever I reach 10, I drop something down, like right now. But he has fire spirits. Okay, he has that. Come on. Oh, she still got that shot off. Come on, hurry, 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 hurry. Please don't have a zap. Yes, he doesn't. He doesn't. And I think the minions are gonna die. Yeah, alright, just one barbarian survived. And he only got one shot on my tower with his prince, and yet my tower lost like 500, 700 health. No wait, yeah, 500, somewhere around there. Alright, let's see. I think he's gonna do his prince again. So I'm gonna have to save my goblins for that, so I can stop his charge. There we go. There we go. I need my minions. Yes. Oh, my giant skeleton couldn't make it. Oh, he zapped. Oh, please don't have anything to rush me with. Yes. Alright. I need my rocket. I'm pretty sure he's gonna drop his hog with it. Come on. Yes. Is he? Nope. Come on. Yes, come on. No, don't get a shot off, hog rider. Oh my gosh, are you for real? That prince did not go. Oh my gosh. Alright, that is good. Yes, 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 yes. Don't tell me that. Oh my god. No, I needed my rocket. I could have gotten that. Oh, I can't believe they did not get that ice speed. If they would have got it, that musketeer would have gotten at least one more shot on the tower, and then we could have gotten the win. Not sure. Let's see. Because there were 2 musketeers, and then there was no more troops left, and yet they didn't target the ice speeder fast enough, and then it jumped on them, and then just oh well. Let's see the Hall Rider. There we go. Now he's gonna drop his friends with that. Alright, yep, we got some damage over there. He split his push, that's how he got most of the damage on the tower. Alright, let's see, let's slow down. Over there is where he uses his zap on that, and then I missed it. Oh well. But yeah. So that'll be it for this episode, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to leave it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and hopefully on our next episode we might do my low level account. And thanks for watching. Bye.